Hi, this is Renee with Altona. I'm here at the E4 show in Dallas. And today I'm going to talk about our classroom or conference room or boardroom control system, but then also step beyond that to campus control. So here's a touch panel that would basically control the room. So you have your volume control here, and you can drag and drop your source to the display that you want to send it to, and it's basically basic control of the room using a touch panel. And so but on this screen over here, this would be at the campus level. And so this would be maybe at the front desk of a corporate campus or even a school campus, right? So what I'm going to do now is from the room, I'm going to call for help, right? Something's happening. I have a belligerent parent or just a student that's acting up. So what I'll do is I'll hold the button down here for a few seconds, and you'll see that the touch panel just changed to room 102, and so we could also flash a light to let people know that they need help. It also sent out an email and a text. So let's say the other room heard a noise, so I'm going to press that, and now it just switched over to room 104, right? And again, sent out another email or text. So I'm calling for help this way. Now let's switch to the other side. And what I'm going to do now from this screen, I just got a word that there's a tornado warning in the area, and I need to warn all the classrooms. So what I'll do is I'll select the icon right here and select weather alert, and you'll see that I just interrupted the display that would be in the classroom. Either turned it on if it was off, if it was already on, I just forced it and switched inputs. And now I'm showing alert. Or you know what? We got a call from the police department that there's a active shooter in the neighborhood. So what I'm going to do is hit this and hit shelter, and now I've got a lockdown going to every single display on campus. But now let's just say that I also created a studio for the campus, for the school, and every morning they do student news, and I want the students in the classroom to be able to watch this broadcast. So I'm going to hit this broadcast here, I'm going to hit start, and you can see now that they're watching the morning announcements. Pushed it out to the entire campus automatically. The teacher didn't have to do anything. It automatically turned on, it automatically switched inputs, and when it's done, I hit broadcast off, it'll go back to what it was doing. And so this is Altona, and for more information you can go to atlona.com. Thank you.